I've done this 50 odd times. I've done this walk about 50 times. Maybe more.
Hiya, Paddy.
David,
Hiya, wee Paddy. Good morning, folks. Something a wee bit different today. Today we're on a bit of plan B, Glen Loin loop. The original plan was to do Ben and Lochin, the Corbett. We're on a bit of plan C. My original plan was to do Ben Cruachan. So plan C, the weather's mince. Rains this afternoon. So I'm out with Paul, Robert and Big Stevie out some boots. So last minute decision to come up and do the Glen Loin loop. You see, very muggy. The waterproof jacket was on at the start, but it's off again. I don't know what the day's going to bring. The weather's just been messed up at the minute. Yesterday was probably a nicer day. The amount of sun wise we got, but you don't know, you just never know now. It's changing all the time. I checked it this morning before we left and it looks like it's been raining on and off all day. So the Glen Loin loop we're on, low level, let's see how we go. There we go, very on Muchie's Mountains. Managed to get him off the bike for a couple of hours.
I had to get out it, I had to get up it, mate. It feels good walking.
We've got him back in the mountains, eh? Brilliant.
Yes! Top notch.
Come on, Paddy. You must have got chicken for him, didn't you, son? No, they knew. Too early, pal.
So is this a lunch stop? When I was out to try the other week there, I didn't bloody work. Aye. It's a bad day when you're at fucking Greg's up, innit?
decision to stay off the mountains today because it's absolutely dire. It's that normal, that dead drizzly rain that gets you soaking, and there's no views. Flags in all the summits, so just plod along on this at the 6.5k mark. Probably stop for a wee bit and get a wee sandwich or something. That's us nearly at the top of the steepest part of the hike. The rain's not heavy, but it's constant, just constantly on. And the crag, well, see for yourself. The crag's there. But a good wee workout nevertheless. Certainly good to get out. I've been choking to try this new Goretex jacket. I got it back in March. I've been really lucky with the weather. I've had it in my bag. I've never had the need to use it because all the weather's been fine. Any hikes I've been on, so it's good to get it out the day and get its first outing. It's Rab Goretex, and it seems to be doing the job pretty good.
I've got a DJI to buy. Oh, have you? I don't know.
Paddy.
Camera shy.
That's us on the go for just over 3 hours. And what do you know it? The sun's coming out. It's absolutely roasting. Sod's law in it. Sod's law. Ah well, it's been a great hike. It's been a great hike. We're just trying to find a wee place to stop, have a wee bite to eat. But they're few and far between here. There's not much. But I'm sure we'll find something. Guys, that's us done, back at the car. All in, we were just coming up for 4 hours and we were 16.5k. So great wee hike, mixed bag with the weather. Really wet at the start, a wee bit of sunshine broke when we were having our lunch. It's back to gloomy, overcast, but it's dry now, it's dry at the minute. So if you managed to watch this far, thanks very much for watching and I'll catch you on the next one.